Hello, my name is Pranjal Patil. I am pursuing my MBA at TAPME. If sorry, yes. About my background, I'm actually an engineer. I've done my engineering in electronics and telecommunication. When I was about to choose colleges to pursue my MBA, TAPME stood out the most because, firstly, it has a great reputation. From all the people I took guidance from, they all said, TAPME, you can close your eyes and go for it. But also the fact that they have such a huge alumnus base, like the alumni here, because the college is 40-year plus old now. The courses here are designed so well, so you always hear good things about their curriculum. So I feel like those two were especially the main points that drove me towards this decision. So a typical day in my life at TAPME at least looks like you wake up in the morning, go to the student center, get some breakfast. Mostly the first half of our day goes into classes only. A very common day in an MBA life is like you'll see students roaming around the campus till like 2 a.m. in the night, just gossiping, having fun. And yeah, that's what we look forward to every day. Any specific places that I like to go on this campus? Mostly, I think the gym, because I spend around 1 or 2 hours there for sure every day. Something new that I picked up when I came to TAPME is especially photography. So we do have a committee here that works in media. I got into the committee, and since then it's been quite the journey learning from, peers who are actually good at it. They have like huge cameras, know how to use the manual mode, things like that. And then also covering a lot of events that happen on campus. Definitely photography has been something that I got to learn or like explore. Apart from that, I think, a lot of other hobbies you pick up. So because we have a huge library here, every chance I get, I'll grab a book, and because there's so many nice spots to sit around. The weather is always, not always, but once in a while it'll be very nice. And so you can enjoy the greenery, the birds, read a book. So one or two of those things I really like doing in this campus. After my engineering, of course, I felt the need of, going one step ahead in terms of career growth. And also that I felt like I was an extrovert, somebody who did not want to just sit behind the desk. I wanted to learn more about, the business side of things, take up client-facing roles. And so I felt the need of an MBA anyways. My TAPME life would be 1, rigorous, but 2 is consuming. I think it just wraps you in whatever it is. Every day you're just looking at the next day, and you never feel like, oh, I'm doing anything half-heartedly, because you're always all into it. At the end of the day, no matter how much you laugh or cry about it, it has been a rewarding experience. So definitely we'll look back at the 2 years I spent at TAPME with at least a smile on my face and think that, these were the 2 best years of my life.